Hi everyone, I thought it's been a while since I did a tabletop video with the old pen and paper, and I'm just going to hopefully make it quite straightforward, but based on something that is quite straightforward and simple at its roots. It involves stuff that is just like very, very complex as well at the same time, because it's the basis of pretty much the universe itself, really, or our perception of it, whatever it is. But it's probably all down to, again, the illusion and key to the universe, isn't it? According to Tesla. I think that's supposed to be Tesla in that picture. Anyway, yeah, I've just had a quick old scribble around at 369. And I've prepared it for what I've already put on this bit, but I'll just put it in a bit of an order. So I'm going to fill it in as we go along. So I'll just get myself prepared with my other hand to write it down. One moment. So what I did, I just wanted to look at the way you can just play with these 369, the combinations, but by adding one of the other numbers as well. So just adding at this stage. I may look into the division and taking away in another video. But just looking at the various combinations then of where you can then add either the 3, 6 and 9 afterwards. So let's do this as we go along. 9 6s 54 plus 3, 57. 3 9s 27 plus 6, 27 plus 6, 33. 33 straight away. 3 6s 18 plus 9, 27. Okay. So let's have a little look at reducing what these are. 5 plus 7 is 12. That then becomes 3 reduced. You shouldn't really reduce that master number, but we're reducing it. 6, 9. So that's just clearing that bit up. Let's see how that works out. 369 down the side. Let's now have a quick look at just adding these together. 17, 5, 8, 10. We had 1 underneath for 17, 11. Oh look, it's 117. Knights Templar, 711 years. I always think of that when I see 117 now. 11 times 7 is 77, of course. If 117 was on a clock, that would obviously be 117. So it's 1:17 a.m. How many minutes is that into the day? 77 minutes, isn't it? Same as 11 times 7. 60 minutes for the hour. 60 plus 17, 77. So, some interesting stuff on that one. Sorry, let's just fill it in properly as we're going along. 77. Also 11 times 7, 77. Dear, I'm not making a very good job at writing this. So, they were the answers. This is now the bit where I have to remember to myself the day of the year bit. So let's put those answers back down there. We've got, let's do them in order there this time. 27, 33, because this is days of the year, of course. 57. Oops. Let's just look at what days of the year they are. That's obviously January 27th. Let's show that one. 127 is the 31st prime. 31, 13, reverse, master of time. 369. Well, it's actually 13 that's the master of time. 369 is all about time as well, as these numbers are showing. Okay, so still looking at the day of the year bit, 33rd day of the year. Let's have a quick look. That's the 2-2 date for February 2nd. Look at how many days left in the year there are. 332. That's 233 backwards. 13th Fibonacci. Fibonacci spiral. 369 spiral time. 13th Fibonacci. How many days left in the year system? 33rd day of the year. 2-2. 2-2 in a mirror. Looks like a 5-5 digital version. 55. So then, still sticking on the day of the year, 57th day of the year. These were, of course, the answers to the 369s up there. 57th day of the year is the February 26th. That's quite interesting. It's got 308 days left. Reminds me of the 3rd of August. But yeah, February 26th. Let's have a quick look at that then. That's factorisation wise, duality 113. Also got a duo 318 up there. A little bit like that touched series 318. Yeah, let's have a quick look at reminders of 113. That's the 30th prime. 113. That was for February 26th. So I hope everybody's followed that so far. 369. We had a look at the way you can times it and add in one of the other numbers to it. We added those up. We reduced those, they came to 369. That in a clock would be 117. 1:17 AM, 77 minutes, same as 11 times 7, 77. We looked at the day of the year bit, converting those into the days of the year, how they looked, the 127, pretty interesting. But now looking at those actual answers, because we've used 369, this is where the rule comes in. I already know their factorizations will either be 3, 6 or 9. But I know they're not going to be really 6. I know they're all going to be 3 just by looking at them, and we know what they're only quite small numbers. But it's because of the rule. This is the rule of 369. I know a lot of people will already probably know this as well. But that any number that when reduced equals 3, 6 or 9, any number at all, that is, doesn't matter how big, that when reduced, if you add all those numbers to however big it was, if it reduces to either 3, 6 or 9, it will have a divisor of 3, 6 or 9. Guaranteed every single time. That's the rule of that mathematics. But also part of that rule, any number then still, that when reduced equals 3, 6 or 9, that number that you have, you could then times that by any number you want. It doesn't have to be 3, 6 or 9 either. Any number you want, no matter how many times you multiply it by infinity, it would still, not only would it still reduce to 3, 6 or 9, but it would carry that same rule, that it would have a divisor of it as well. If it reduces to it, it'll have a divisor of it. So that's why I already knew that it was going to have divisors of that 3, 6 or 9. Okay, so 27, we know that's 3 times 9. 27. 33, we know that's 3 times 11. Oh, we've suddenly wrote 9 and then 11 after each other. 57. I have to quickly just remind myself of 57. One moment. Oh dear, sorry about that. A little mental block. Pressure of doing it live, I suppose, as I'm writing it. It's 19, of course. 19. So I just wrote 9, 11, Now I just wrote 1 and 9. 19. Okay, I was going to go into the numbers 9, 11 and 19, but it's already 10 minutes in the video. What we'll do then, we'll just add those up together. They equal 39. Agreed, yeah? 19, 20, 39. That we know, of course, is 3 times the master of time. 13, 39. 93 backwards, whole Saturn then suddenly comes into it. 369. All these time patterns and connections. So we got 39 from those. Let's times 39 by 3. See what that comes to. Oh look, 39 times 3 equals what we just spoke about earlier in the video, 117. 117? 39 times 3, 117. That's where we've got to with this. 117. Let's look, to finish this video off then, that's 9. Let's have a look at 9. 39 times 9. Okay? 39 times 9. 39 times 9. 153 backwards. 351. Pretty incredible, I think, yeah. You'll agree that we ended up on 351, the reverse of 153. Facetious Pisces. 153 being major part, oops, sorry, of that equation for that. So there we have it, 351, 39 times 9. 39 times 3 we already showed was 117. 39 times 6, by the way, is 234. Plus its reverse, 666. But anyway, I just want to finish because I hope it all does make sense with a bit of 369. Trying to master that key to the universe. It does show that it's all about unlocking time, basically. That's what it boils down to with me, for me. Okay, incredible 153 but reverse. I'm still blown away by that. But I just want to prove that this rule is true live. Let's just do it. Because well, earlier on anyway, I just did a random number. And I reduced it, and it happened to just come to already 3, 6 or 9. That was that one up there. Divided by 3, it's an even number. It will divide by it. Let's just do all this again. Error. So just type in random things and I'll reduce it in a minute. Maybe not too many. Right, 10, 13, 16, 17, 18, 26, 30, 35. So that reduces to 8. We need something else. We need one more. So just 1. That now reduces to 9. Okay. I'm going to prove now that that number will divide by 3, 6 or 9. Guaranteed. Divided by 3. No, it doesn't do 3. Or actually, it probably will because it's too long to show. Ah, this tablet's not good enough for this. Ah, there we go, 6. That proves it. Dead even number. Divided by 6, dead equal. That means it probably doesn't divide by 3. 9 it does, yeah. 6 it does. 3 it probably doesn't. Or it's just too long. I think it's infinity 8's actually at the end of that. Yeah, look, it's not quite a 3, but it's a 6 or a 9, that one is. Proven. because it reduces to 3, 6 or 9. Thanks so much. Take care.